Hello, my lovely Scorpios. Welcome to your annual reading for the year 2021. This is an overview and a general one. So make sure you look at it from that perspective, and please hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification icon for me so you get notified when I'm live or when I'm uploading a video for you. Also, I would like you to comment and let me know if you're looking for a free reading from me. Last time I had announced a lot of people got those free readings, and then for the remaining who did not get a 30-minute session from me, I did go on Facebook to offer those readings. So make sure you comment a yes in the comment box below and let me know if you're looking for a free reading from me, and I'll come back to you. Let's see what the year 2021 has in store for you. For Scorpios, please. For Scorpios, okay. I get the Knight of Wands. I feel like I needed to take that card. Scorpios, the start of the year is looking good. Let me go forward and see more. Right. You get the card of Knight of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, and the Seven of Swords. I feel like Scorpios, you are definitely leaving the past behind. You are moving. You're actually having, you're being a little, you're taking overview of the situation of your past, but you're ready to move forward with the learnings that you got in the past in the year 2020. You are being very cautious. At the same time, you are not willing to trust anyone here in the year 2020 also, I see. And with the Seven of Swords, you're not going to leave any stone unturned. This is not the liar cheater energy, but this is you, I feel. You are going forward with your ideas, your plans, and I feel like you're also going to come or meet somebody here who could be helping you in achieving those plans for yourself. Give me one more card. I feel like I need to take this. You get the King of Pentacles energy. Scorpios, I feel like you are building or you're working towards something really big and stable, and this is also the Taurus energy. You could be dealing with a Taurus, or you could be building foundations towards something really stable. This could be for yourself, this could be someone else. I feel like this has got to do with the external world for you, Scorpios. You have gained command over some situation, or this could be yourself that you are discovering from a different perspective, but you're definitely discovering hidden strengths for yourself. You get the card of Five of Air. You get the card of Queen of Air. I feel like there were some things you did or you picked up or you were feeling guilty about making a decision in the past, but you are also ready to learn from that and move forward in the year 2021. The Queen of Air tells me you are definitely more independent, you feel more seasoned and experienced. You are a lot more realistic now, and you're very, very witty. You're going to be entertaining a lot of people, and people are going to like that sharp-wittedness, that quick-wittedness about you. You're going to have to make a lot of decisions for yourself also, I see. And you are with the Queen of Air, Queen of Swords energy. I definitely feel you're clearing the way to a lot of these experiences from your heart, from your mind, from your memory, that definitely do not need to be there around you or for you. And you are going to actually stand away from the situation on neutral grounds and look at your life in the past, one that you've led until the year 2020, and the one that you're stepping into with the year 2021. So this feels like a fresh, brand new energy for you. Let me draw you some more cards from here. For Scorpios, please. What messages do we have for Scorpios? You have quite a few. I'll take this one and then I'm going to move forward. I feel there was one more I need to take. There is this card of Unity. There's the card of Sun. These are very powerful cards here, Scorpios. And I feel like with the owl spirit, you have a lot of spiritual messages or a lot of spiritual wisdom inside of you right now that you have gained over the past few years because of the experiences you have been through. And this is a great period of transition for you. This is like nothing you have experienced before, and I feel like more towards the end of 2020, you are going to look back on the beginning of the year with so much thankfulness and gratefulness in your heart that you have come a long way. You also get the card of unity. I feel like a lot of you Scorpios could be entering new relationships or looking at your old relationships with a lot more love, the higher form of love. You could be forgiving a lot of people also. You are definitely radiating and attracting great love here. The card of the sun, you are being asked to open your heart to enormous growth ahead. Because Scorpios, like I said, the year is beginning. On that note, you could be spending first 10-15 days of January just thinking about whatever happened in the year 2020. You could be very, very much in your head. You could be very nostalgic at times too. But then it's going to just take you one moment where you will step out of this energy and be ready and fresh, feel that youthful charm about yourself and that renewed sense of passion in whatever you want to achieve in your life, and you're not going to stop yourself from achieving that. Let me get you some cards from this spirit. For Scorpios, please. For Scorpios. Wow. You get the card of trickery, you have the card of despondence, you have the card of grief, you have the facade, you have the abundance topping all this. I feel like Scorpios, you have gone through a lot of trickery. People have been trying to make take advantage of you, take advantage of your giving nature. You've been feeling despondent about your past situations, or people who have you've known these people. And the worst part is, sometimes ignorance is bliss. But the worst part about your situation was that you've known these people, yet you've had to take everything they did or said to you with a pinch of salt. And that created a lot of sadness and grief in your heart. But now the facade is coming off. It has already come off. You have known everything, Scorpios. And that is what is allowing you to go forward in the year 2021, leaving everyone behind, leaving all those people and situations behind that didn't that weren't supposed to be there, or that have helped you grow. I would say helped you grow, because everybody has a purpose in our life. So if they did all the things to you and you learn to grow and come out of those things, you are the gainer here. Let me draw you a few more cards from the Oracle deck and see what it has to say to you. For Scorpios, please. Yeah, when you're moving forward, I see those who were underestimating you. They are so displeased with this growth. For Scorpios, please. We have a few cards here for you. You get the card of, you have three. You get the card of Gates of Triumph. You get the card of a Wandering Path. You get the card of Voyage of the Heart. Success expands in your life. Like I said, this year is going to give you the beginning of the year may start slowly, but it is gaining momentum very easily, and you're also being very cautious where you want to give your energy. And definitely this brings in a lot more success than you have experienced in a long time. You're being asked by the spirit to enjoy the journey, because it's gone, it's over. That turmoil, that time, the tumultuous times, they're over, and love flows through you and to you. Like I said, everything you have gained through your experiences that you've healed from and you've imbibed in yourself, that is what is attracting this higher form of love into your life. It could come to you from a pet, it would come to you from a distant relative, somebody you did not expect this to come to you from. This could even come to you from your next door neighbor. I even see this as a twin flame situation for some of you in your life, twin flame soulmate energy. And but this is a lot of love for you, and it feels really warm. It feels really good to me. Let me draw you some more cards and see what the spirit wants to say to you. The cards are jumping out. You get the card of solitude. In silence, peace prevails. I feel this like then the emotional maturity you have gained within yourself, Scorpios, that's bringing you so much peace, joy, and abundance in your life and your emotional self. And your heart is just full of gratitude for everything that happened, and even everybody who came into your life and played whatever roles they were supposed to. You're forgiving. You have grown beyond your own apprehensions, And this is real growth. This is soul growth. Let me get you some messages from the crystals, from spirit. I get that there's a lot of swift communication coming towards you, Scorpio. Something that was stagnant in the past is going to move forward now. And I also feel there's some kind of reward, recognition, heightened confidence, and increased psychic abilities also happening for you. I also get a lot of you, Scorpios, I don't know why. You could be leaning towards shopping for more footwears or bottom wears. You could be doing that for yourself. You're preparing, you're traveling a lot. I'm also seeing you spending a lot of time in nature or reading a book. You could be picking up a book very often. Music is of very much, all the things I feel like something that you felt deprived of or you've been keeping yourself from, all that's coming to you, all that happiness is coming to you in the year 2021. This is also a lot of people approaching for your guidance, your advice. You're happily guiding them on the right path. I see you meeting a lot of friends and enjoying a good time. You're meeting a lot of influential people here in the year 2021, Scorpios. You're A lot of people are definitely going to see you rise. Something that, like I said, they underestimated you about, but you are definitely rising here in the year 2021, and this looks like a big giant change in your life, a most welcome change in your life in the year 2021. That's what I have for you for now. Do give this reading a thumbs up if you like this. And also comment a yes and let me know if you like a free reading from me. I would get back to you. A lot of the people who had commented their email address in the past readings, they have received readings from me. So if you'd like another reading, just comment a yes and I'll get back to you. And until we meet again, stay safe, stay blessed, and bye bye.